What is going on here? This isn't just a messy room. It's a little zoo inside.
Wait, what is that?
What is this in my room? Meow. A tiny little cat. Katu. Near the wall there is a dog. Shun. What is happening here? By the door there is a sheep. Vochkhar. On the shelf a little hen. In the corner quiet fox. Aghves. Walking slowly it's a cow. Passing by a gentle horse. Zee. Jumping up a funny monkey. Kapik. A big elephant walks in. Pigh. And a bear looks all around. Arch! This is not a simple room. It's a little zoo inside. Katu, Shun, Vochkhar.
Արի կրկնենք մեր նոր բառերը։
Kapik, Pigh, say them all again.
Կատու, Շուն, Ոչխար, Աղվես, Կով, Ծի, Կապիկ, Pigh, Արջ, Kendanabanakan այգի,
Սովորենք հայերեն միասին։
Yay! Let's learn Armenian together!